girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. We have NEFFEX here, absolutely not for the first time, and I can promise not for the last time. We love NEFFEX here on Gordon Guitar. This one is called Losing My Mind, not Lose My Mind. I already done that one, so you can check that out. But this is Losing My Mind, very easy. It's a 4-chord, goes in the same order through the entire song, like it does many times with NEFFEX. That is great. Very good. All right, let's start with this one. Capo high up here on the 8th fret to get these high notes. And with capo on 8, we have the following chords. A minor. So that is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. Next chord is G. So that is 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E. F next, so that's a bar here on the 1st fret, all strings, and the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And we have the final chord, the E. Open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. Okay, so we will look at one strumming pattern that will work for this song. And before I get into this strumming, I just want to highlight some notes you want to emphasize. So for A minor, you will emphasize the open E. So try to get that one and not neglect that when you are strumming. So don't neglect that. Play the open E and try to really be down there. Next, on the G string, you want to emphasize the 3rd fret B string. That's the D note. This one. Next, on F, you want to emphasize the 1st fret B string. That's the C note. Like C, actually not the C note because we have capo here, but yeah, I think you understand, you know notes like that, what I'm talking about. So that's the 1st fret B string anyway. And for the last chord, the E, it's the open B string you want to emphasize here. This one. Okay, so that's the kind of melody that goes under everything here. Okay, so let's look at the strumming, and like I said, we need to divide this into 2 different parts, because here we want to think as pair of chords. So A minor and G will pair up together, and F and E will pair up together. And what I mean by pair up is that these 2 chords, pair of chords, will make up one strumming pattern together. So let's start with A minor. We'll take the A minor and G for an example there. So A minor part 1, it will be down, down, clap. So it's 2 fast downs, short pause, and clap. Okay, that's it. And then you shift to G and play the same there. 2 fast downs, a short pause, and then down, clap, down. So like this. Again. Down, down, clap, down. So down, down, then a short pause, then the rest goes fast. Down, clap, down. So if we play it together, down, down, clap, down, 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 clap, down. And the same goes for the F transition to E. And so on. And that is basically the song. So So yeah, that pretty much covers NEFFEX, cool song, Losing My Mind. And if you love NEFFEX like we do here, so come back. I promise you more good things coming out from NEFFEX, I hope, and from this channel. Hope to see you soon. Until then, play tune.